Here we are at Keystone Point Marina, debuting a 2003 Rinker Fiesta 270. She has an LOA of 30.1 feet, an extended flat platform of 3 feet. Has a custom closure from the anchor covering the whole entire bow through the windshield, out into the helm area, all the way into the rear of the boat. It's not the actual clips. They're actually, they lock into place. Very, you know, when the wind hits it, it's very hard for it to come off. If you were to try to detach that ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. So the only way it will come up, you gotta unclip. Comes equipped with an EcoMap 94 SV GPS Garmin system. It's an upgraded system that it has. Nice big screen. It has all your GPS, your JL audio system. Very powerful system. There's a 7,000 system upgrade on it. The boat actually has, on the whole, it has 658 hours. On the engine, it's probably around 100 hours, maybe under that. Brand new engine. Got custom seats. I actually put this just so that I'm more comfortable as a captain seat. All your galley pump work. There's your fresh water. Custom teak table. Your flooring is actually a rubber teak. It's not an actual teak. There's like a $5,000 upgrade. Platform back here where you could enjoy with the family. Your swim ladder here to deploy whenever you need it. Deploys out. Comes right out, jump in, have the kids jump in. It's a great family boat. Great family boat. The boat was born in the marina. He took it straight to the marina where I was at, dry docked, and I've kept it there. I switched the contract over and I kept the boat there the whole entire time. That is a big plus. I got a brand new transom assembly on the boat. I got a brand new engine on the boat. I got a brand new gas tank on the boat. I do have the JL audio amp. That's where I put it. I placed it back there. Very small amp, very powerful. One of the latest in the market. Full bed downstairs, which is a king size bed to sleep on. I use that. You can use it for your kids or whoever wants to sleep back there. It's great. I have a portable AC unit that I have that will come with the boat, and that goes on top of the hatch upstairs and the hatch window. Brand new engine, brand new gas tank, brand new transom assembly, brand new system for your speakers, JL audio throughout. I did all the interior, the cushions in the interior are done. The bed, the underbed, I have two beds downstairs. They all got redone, brand new. And I said a new bimini, a new cover for the boat. You ask me, you got a brand new boat in your hand.